Okay, so this is the back of our Shad lab. Okay, simply just take out the old one and bring the new one. The new one has 4 pins, as you can see. Make sure to put it in this side, don't flip it. Okay, just make sure that all these 3 variable resistors at the top, similar to the photo here. Okay, and it has 4 pins. Just make sure to install all the 4 pins here. Okay, like that. Okay, just make sure that all the pins are inside the holes. Just check it all around, and whenever you get it on, you should see this light is on. Okay, turn it off will be off. This is to make sure that this one is working and everything should work as well. Thank you.